Saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I would sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago.